Hello.
Yeah, did you create it?
Yes, I created.
Uh, Actually, good time to all of you. And I think today, what was our today topic,
Yes,
Mr. Kiran Kumar.
yes, I know that.
Actually, our today's topic was about your country. So we want to know about your district.
Yeah,
So we want to know about your district.
yes, I know that because it's my motherland. Okay. Thank you so much for the opportunity, Mr. Shimol. You are at this time moderator in my Google Meet. So I'm from Kustia, and Kustia is my district. Okay, and it's my motherland. My motherland. I most love my district. I most love my country. Okay. There is a five. It's not five. There is a two thana and three upazila in my district. Okay. First of all, first is Dolutpur. Actually, Dolutpur is my thana, and two is Mirpur Upazila, and three Bheramara Upazila, and four is Kustia Sador Thana, and five is Kumarkhali Upazila. And first of all, I would like to tell you, Sadarpur Dukhito. I'm sorry. Okay. First of all, I would like to tell about Kustia Sador Upazila. Okay. Um there is a two important place, I think, and two is a very important place in Kustia Sador Thana. Actually, it is a Rabindranath Thakur Kutibari. Everyone know this, and it is a educational place, I think. So it is a very important place in my district and in my country, I think that. And there are many person go there for learning something. So it I think it is a very important for us. Okay. And there is a many type of learning about Rabindranath Tagore and many things at this time. And at this time, I'd like to share something you about Lalon Shaiji. And uh, he's a famous person in my Bangladesh and in my Kustia district. And it's a there is a many song on YouTube, and there are many person like this song. So it is a very nice place. I think it is not important place, but it is a very nice place in Kustia district, and there are many person like Lalon Shaiji. So, and there are many person come in there, and together every day. And it is a very nice place, I think. And there is a many type of factory in my Kustia district, like actually I'm forget it, Bisley cables, I think. You know that. And there is a building, and মানে আমাদের কুষ্টিয়া জেলাতে এমন একটা বিল্ডিং আছে, সেটা বাংলাদেশের সবথেকে উঁচু, and it is a very high building in my Kustia, and it's called Beasley cables. So it's a very important building and very important place, I think, in Kustia. And then I would like to share you Kumarkhali district. There is a famous river, Padma River, Padma, and it's a very very important river for us. There are many fish board, and there are many boatmen. They want fishing. It's a very good, I think, for Kustia district. And at this time I'd like to share you my thana. Actually it is a Dolatpur thana. Actually it is a very important thana in my district. And it is a very large thana, very big thana in Bangladesh. I think if you search on YouTube, which thana is very large, so you can see that Dolatpur is a second thana, is longer. So there are many person live in there. And there are actually Kustiards every person dependent agriculture. And Dolatpur is a more dependent agriculture. And there are many tobacco factory in Dolatpur Thana. And if you search that on YouTube, which district is famous for tobacco, you can see that Dolpur is a tobacco is the first rank, I think. And I think it is a very important for every farmer. So I think Dolpur Thana is a very addictive Thana. At this time, I'd like to share you Mirpur Thana. Actually, Mirpur Thana is Shimul's Thana. Shimul's like most love his Thana. Actually, there is a Amla.
What are you speaking, brother? What were you speaking? Shimul's Thana, where is it?
মানে
I don't
তোমার
know.
তোমার
In our district have any Shimul's Thana.
okay. Actually,
Are you kidding with us?
no, no. Actually,
Obviously, you are kidding with us. Then because in our district don't have any Shimul's Thana.
okay, no problem.
Okay, we'll carry on. No
I'm,
problem.
I'm just,
Today, okay,
I'm just,
carry on.
I'm just kidding with you. There is a many important place. Actually, our Amla English Club is a Mirpur Thana. It's a very important. I think important place. I think because there is a many type of factory. There is a many type of things. It's very important. At this time, I would like to share about Bharamara Thana. And I think it will be last. It will be last Thana. You can first of all I told you there is a five Thana in my district, so it will be a last Thana. Actually, there is a Bharamara Thana there is a very important place, I think. And there is a there is a electric মানে সেখানে একটা বিদ্যুৎ কেন্দ্র আছে, there is a বিদ্যুৎ কেন্দ্র. And it is a very important for Bangladesh. And there is a Harding Bridge. It's very important for us. Harding Bridge, there is a Harding Bridge, so you can go Rajshahi, you can go anything place. There is not Harding Bridge, you won't be able to Rajshahi, Nator. I think it is a very important bridge for Kustia. And there is a Lalon Shah Setu, Lalon Shah Bridge. It is a very important that same to Harding Bridge. Okay. And I forget it, there is a fast station in Bangladesh in Kustia district. It's called I forget it. Do you know Shimul?
What are you speaking? I have forgotten because I
Actually,
was in a beside. Actually, my yeah,
I'm
I
speaking
was doing beside.
I speaking that there is a fast station in Bangladesh. It is a railway station. Oh, I got it. I remember it. It is called Jagod station. And you know that
Uh,
Jagod station is the fast station in Bangladesh, and it is a Kustia.
yeah, yeah.
So it was very important. It was very important station. And that time there are many person for ওই মানে সেখান থেকে অনেক অনেক জায়গায় যেত আর কি। and there is a at this time there is a very important rail station for the rail station. There is a middle point in rail station. If you know that rail station, you can go with Khulna, you can go Dhaka, you can go Rajshahi. I think it is a very important rail station in Kustia. So I'm proud of my district, and that's all about my district. Okay, thank you.
You are very